Hello again guys, no? And in this video, we are traveling along Barangay Sinigpit, Paniqui, province of Tarlac, no? And we have another great adventure this time with my nephews, no? And as we discover, there is a beautiful place for hangout here in Paniqui Tarlac, and the new and encouraging place for a family who wants to relax and feel the good ambience of the environment. That the good place of the park is really amazing, no? The new and newly constructed park and resort here in Paniqui Tarlac, the Cano'S Nature Park, located at Bonbonig First Barangay Sinigpit, Paniqui Tarlac. Now guys, welcome to Cano'S Nature Park, a good place to relax, no? Yes, the place has an amazing environment that every guest can enjoy the place, no? And since the park is newly constructed, from the entrance when you enter, you can appreciate right away the good ambience of the park, no? And there's simple reception area where you can transact for accommodation. Right from there, you can notice how long and wide Cano'S Park. Since this is a private park and resort guys, no, the business here is you have to transact for reservation for every guest who wants to come and in or stay for overnight, no? And right now they have only limited villas to accommodate, no, since this is not fully constructed yet, no, although construction is still ongoing. And so this is the amazing environment of Cano'S Park and Resort, no? The wide area for overnight adventurers who bring tents, no, to enjoy their night. This wide place area can be also used as a venue for all occasions, no? And while the pool along the way is always ready for every guest who wants to swim and enjoy their time, no? You can also use the slides, no, for kids, and there is also a pool for kids, no, where the kids can enjoy their swimming. Cano'S Nature Park and Resort has also have their fishing area, no, where all guests can enjoy fishing there if they love fishing, no. And Cano'S Nature Park and Resort has an estimated area more or less 2 hectares, no, to be developed, and they are constructing more cottages for the convenience of their every guest who wanted to stay Cano'S Nature Park and Resort, no? And so we are all inviting all guests and adventurer who loves nature to visit Cano'S Nature Park and Resort in town of Paniqui, province of Tarlac, no? And they also accept a reservation for all occasions. So come now guys and enjoy fishing, swimming, have fun and relax with the amazing nature of Cano'S Nature Park and Resort here in Paniqui Tarlac. Yan.